Hello and welcome to the Merlot apartment. Just like the Merlot wine, this is one of our favorite apartments, our Paris Perfect. It features two bedrooms and two bathrooms. It's absolutely stunning for your stay in Paris. Come into the very large open living and dining room and kitchen. Two sets of French doors. Step out onto a balcony with a straight on view of the Eiffel Tower. Come have a look. You just can't beat this view for your stay in Paris. Here we are in the main bedroom, which features an extra wide queen size bed, very comfortable memory foam mattress, and an ensuite bathroom. I love the design of the bathroom. Look at these gorgeous reflecting mosaic tiles, kind of like pearl. And it's the same in the shower with a gorgeous overhead rainwater shower, which is the largest one I've ever seen. And then hidden in the back, a special feature, which is a toilet. Very unusual to have two toilets in any Paris apartment, and most of ours do. Here is the second bathroom, then with sink, shower. Finally, the second bedroom. Quiet and sunny, it overlooks the inner courtyard. It's perfect for a family or a group of friends to stay. Now, let me show you the special feature in the kitchen. This kitchen is really made with full-size fridge freezer and everything you need for cooking gourmet meals or bringing in delicatessens from the Rue Claire Market, which is just 2 blocks away. Or just simply sitting here with a glass of wine and enjoying time with family and friends. We hope to welcome you to the Merlot apartment at Paris Perfect.